Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. In this video, we're going to talk about individual names. And when I'm recording this video, it's November 1st, 2024, but you're going to watch this on Sunday, November the 3rd, 2024, before market open and before election, because election is going to be tomorrow on Monday, November 4th, and it's going to be very interesting week. So stay tuned for this week because I believe that market will have lots of volatility down the road, especially for this week and next week as well. So there are lots of good buying opportunities are coming with lots of different names. I believe that a market is getting into a corrective period. Even if we have rally, we will have it after potentially after November 15 or so. So we will see how it goes. Let's get to the chart, see what chart tells us. Here is, let me just share my screen. Here is Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is coming down after 3 days corrective move to the downside. And I believe that Bitcoin can get to 67, 68, still holding this area as long as it holds this pivot, which is September low. That would be, October low. And October low actually is here, but second low, 65,000. As long as it holds here, we're going to just see another pullback potential for a next buying opportunity to the upside, which I believe that Bitcoin rally is just started. And we're going to watch this one very closely just because Bitcoin can get to new all-time high very soon. All right, moving on to Ethereum. Ethereum just had a very choppy consolidation here. If you follow me, I just mentioned that 27 to 2800. This area is very, very important because if Ethereum breaks through about this, so that would be kind of like above this pivotal point, important 2817. Then we can see a back test 3000, potentially 33 or even 3600 down the road. So we will see how it goes. Moving on to US bond yield. Bond yield is just going higher. Seems like it's just a signaling for Democrats to win, just because this means the dollar is going to get more stronger. And TLT, which is Treasury, just crashing to the downside. It's just beyond my expectation. And if it goes below this, that would be kind of like a scary because this one can go easily to 86 to 89. But I believe that Treasury can get back up while market is getting into a corrective period. So we will see how it goes. But dollar bond yield is just a putting pressure on treasuries today. VIX is down today, 5% down still, just right at this important pivotal point or resistance area, I should say, around a 20 to 24. So if it breaks through, I would say market will experience a very decent volatility. It seems like the sharp sell-off or a flash crash or something is going to happen just because market is poised for another spike to the upside, at least for weeks. Dixie just forming a bullish consolidation here, not a bad pattern at all. So Dixie can spike up to 105 for the last surge to hit this trend line before the next sell-off to the downside. So we will see how it goes. Magma indicator is just forming a bullish Harami here. And on Friday, we just got a positive momentum, but look at the choppiness here just because Apple just end up negative, just a break through this trend line here to the downside. If Apple actually recaptured this at 220, but if it goes below this, I would say Apple can easily go down to 198 to 200 area. So we will see. Amazon dollar down. So $11 down, up. It's just hitting kind of like a double top here and getting back down. And the sellers just to control almost the entire session. It just gapped up due to fantastic earning, great substantial earning, just that pushed Amazon higher. But again, if market goes to correction, this one is coming down as well. Meta 42 cents down, and this one goes below this trend line, back test going down again, challenging this pivotal point. If it goes, if it breaks through to the downside, there is going to be a short-term kind of like a signal here, which is right at this gap, $542. So we will see if it breaks through. I believe Meta is going to go lower all the way to this 475. So we will see. But right now, we should see Meta is kind of like at the very kind of like a pattern, a very choppy pattern that we can see if it breaks through again below this pivotal point, 560, then it can go all the way down to 542. Microsoft, a $4 up today, still back test this broken neckline, getting back down. So this is not a strong pattern. This chart tells me that technology in a bigger picture is in trouble because Microsoft is very, very important. It's not very kind of like a usual company. If a stock doesn't go well, this can lead the market actually to the downside. Google just after uh, getting to the lower low, managed positive. So seems like still this spice to the upside and then getting back down. Seems like this is just a pullback. And if this pullback finished, then we can see another rally to the upside. But I'm not sure if we can get above this 180 to 182. There are lots of sellers here, and we can see some kind of like a double top getting back to the downside. I'm kind of like positive on this name. Still, I believe that I know that uh, the reaction was pretty good actually due to earning, but a company is doing very well. So 200, almost $209. If you haven't seen my video, my previous video on Saturday, make sure watch that one. That was kind of like a special video, and the case study was Google. So I just told you exactly how I trade this, and we made a good kind of like a profit out of it. Netflix, $7, 7 cents actually up today. Not a bad session. Still holding up this area, but everything depends on this week. Tesla goes down, 87 cents down after a nice rally to the upside, nice spike. I believe Tesla, if Tesla goes down again, challenge this trend line, we can go to 167 to 186 finally. Semiconductor index, SMH at $3 up today. Another bad session, bullish Harami. SOX, the same pattern here, $2.32 up. Taiwan Semiconductor, still a bullish pattern. This is a bull flag. AMD $2.21 down. NVIDIA $2.64 up. Not a bad session at all. So NVIDIA is forming a bullish harami. I may kind of like coming with a special video for NVIDIA because I believe that if we get to a corrective move for the next 2 weeks, then we will have a fantastic buying opportunity for NVIDIA. So we will see how it goes. Taiwan, Texas Instrument going up, $1.76 up, not a bad session. Lam Research, 45 cents up. Still, this one is lagging. Moving on to financials, bullish pattern. This is a bull flag on XLF. And if this one triggers, that's going to be interesting because I believe that still, as long as banks are doing well, so we can give market benefit of doubt for a next rally to the upside. KBE 44 cents down. Big banks still lagging. KRE the same here. JP Morgan, $2 up. Not a bad session. Still bullish consolidation. Goldman Sachs the same here. Bank of America 6 cents down as well. So this is still a bullish consolidation. And Wells Fargo seems like a rolling over to the downside. So if it goes down, we can get to this gap here somewhere around 57 to 59. Moving on to gold miners. They're just going down, and I believe that gold is down. Gold miners is down, so they're in a corrective move. GDXJ, the same pattern. It's just going down. AEM 49 cents down, rolling over to the downside. Newmont still going down after earning. This stock cannot stand anymore. Franco-Nevada, sharp sell-off to the downside, 95 cents down. I believe 128 is coming down the road. Gold barrick broken. This trend line is broken, and this one can go all the way down to middle of this wide range bar or potentially fill out this gap here somewhere around $17 to $18. XLE, which is the energy spider, after choppiness, geopolitical tension, gapped up, then going down. So this is still struggling to get back to the upside. XOP, this one actually, this chart actually followed my cycle, but this one didn't get back to the upside. Still chopping around here. $1.39 down. OIH going down as well. Exxon, huge gap due to fantastic earning, but goes down here. Look at that. So earning was good, and Exxon just gapped up, but sellers took control. This is not good when the stock is doing like this. So we should see downside pressure is coming as well. Chevron actually gapped up nicely, but this one is better than Exxon. This is very interesting. I remember time Exxon was doing well, Chevron lagging, and right now Chevron is doing better and Exxon is lagging. So we will see. We'll see how it goes. All right, folks. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.